Your face will look up to 5 years younger. Just add 2 ingredients to the cream to boost its effectiveness tenfold. Take half a container of blue Nivea cream and add 2 vitamin E capsules to it. Vitamin E has strong antioxidant properties, neutralizing the formation of wrinkles. It reduces free radicals responsible for faster skin aging. Then add aloe vera gel and mix everything thoroughly. Aloe speeds up the epidermal regeneration process. It contains sterol that stimulates the body to produce collagen and hyaluronic acid. Apply the mixture daily on your face and neck. Don't overspend on anti-wrinkle creams. This enhanced Nivea cream has the same effects. Beauticians add coffee to Nivea cream. Thanks to it, the cream gains properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. Even though this recipe might sound strange, it guarantees you'll start doing it yourself. Take 2 tablespoons of Nivea cream and put them in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee and a tablespoon of honey. The enzymes in honey help exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells. Additionally, it acts as a protective plaster, preventing skin dryness. Mix everything thoroughly. Coffee has anti-aging effects. Caffeine and other polyphenolic compounds delay the breakdown of vitamin C in the skin, thus smoothing it and preventing the formation of new wrinkles. The combination of these 3 ingredients creates a superb cosmetic. Use it as a scrub or mask. Use it twice a week, and I assure you, the results will be astonishing. Nivea cream has many properties. Most people don't know that adding 2 ingredients can help eliminate blemishes and dark circles at home. Transfer 2 tablespoons of Nivea cream to a bowl. Then cut a lemon and squeeze it. Ensure seeds don't float in the juice. Add the lemon juice to the cream. Lemon is rich in ascorbic acid, which prevents and removes blemishes. Also, add a teaspoon of powdered milk, which has a skin-tightening effect, and aloe vera gel, stimulating collagen production. Mix everything. Store this mask in the fridge. Apply it twice a week for 40 minutes. It's one of the most effective homemade methods for brightening the skin. Lemon exfoliates the epidermis and reduces blemishes. Nivea cream moisturizes and firms the skin. It's an excellent base for homemade cosmetics that don't require a huge time investment. Do you buy Nivea cream? Do you have it in your cosmetic bag? Apply cloves to your hands and see what happens. You won't recognize your own hands. Take a large handful of cloves and grind them using a blender or coffee grinder. Put the crushed cloves in a pot and pour 200 milliliters of water over them. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and turn on the stove. Heat the mixture, but you don't have to boil it. Thanks to the tannin content, cloves can slow down the aging process of the skin. They have antioxidant properties that block the development of free radicals. Coconut oil has similar properties. Cloves are effective in fighting fungi and have a strong anti-inflammatory effect. The skin, thanks to cloves, can become smoother, radiant, and free of discoloration. When the mixture is heated, strain it into a container and let it cool. Pour it into a spray bottle. Clove oil reduces irritation and helps maintain a healthy appearance of the skin. When applied to hands, face, or other areas of the skin, it also protects against insects. Taking care of our skin, we simultaneously protect it from ticks, mosquitoes, fleas, or spiders. Just spray the skin on your hands and massage it in. Apply to hands, face, and skin. Using this mixture relaxes and soothes muscle tension. It reduces stress. Additionally, the essential oils in cloves have pain-relieving effects, including relief from migraines and lowering blood pressure. When I run out of my clove and coconut oil bottle, I immediately prepare another one. Everyone asks about the secret of my skin.
Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. Anti-aging mask that will surprise you. It tones and eliminates wrinkles. Your skin becomes silky smooth because of it. This mask is extremely effective. To make it, you need bananas, or more precisely, the peel of 1 banana. It has properties that will rejuvenate your skin. Chop it finely. Put it in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. It prevents premature aging. Pour in 200 milliliters of water. Boil it all for 10 minutes. Rice with banana also brightens the complexion perfectly. Then transfer the rice with banana peel to a blender. Blend it into a smooth mixture. Transfer it to a bowl and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's perfect for discoloration and pimples. It also contains a lot of vitamin C. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. It cleanses and moisturizes the skin. Also, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It absorbs excess oil for oily skin. Mix everything thoroughly and transfer it to cream containers. Apply it to the skin and leave it on for several minutes. Tannins in banana peel tighten and tone the skin. Banana peel is an ideal cosmetic for acne-prone skin, but in combination with other ingredients, it is universal for different skin types. After using it, the skin is smooth, tight, and free of wrinkles. You can store this mask in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. However, it's best to use it regularly every day until you finish it. Cut the cotton pads in half and place them in the fridge. The next morning, you won't believe the results. Use regular cotton pads that you usually use to remove makeup. Today, I'll show you another use for them. Take scissors and a few cotton pads. Cut them in half. Pour a bit of green tea leaves into a glass. Pour hot water over them. Do not brew with boiling water. Green tea contains many vitamins. Loose leaf tea, not tea bags, has more health benefits. It has anti-atherogenic and anti-cancer properties. When the infusion cools down, prepare a small bowl and pour a few teaspoons of tea into it. Add a small amount of coconut oil. A bit at the tip of the teaspoon is enough. The oil will dissolve in the warm tea. Coconut oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Place the cotton pads in the bowl with oil and tea. When they soak, place the bowl in the fridge. This way you can store them longer. Stretch the soaked pads before use and apply them under your eyes. Leave on for 20 minutes. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear. Such a mask stimulates blood circulation and moisturizes. Use regularly every morning or at night, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the results.